Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Follow Your Inner Voice, and today I'll be showing you how to make aloe vera juice at home. This is my small balcony and I have many plants of aloe vera over here because I consume aloe vera juice for myself, and I make aloe vera juice for my family also. So let's cut the aloe vera leaf. So this is the leaf of aloe vera. If you observe this, it is leaving some yellow liquid. This yellow liquid is not good for health. So we will hang this in kitchen so that all the yellow liquid will drain out and then we can use it for the juice. So let's go in the kitchen. See, as you can see that it is leaving so many liquid. This yellow liquid is not at all good for our health, so we should drain it out, and for that we need to hang it for at least half an hour. So we will hang it. This string is already ready, so I always keep it handy so that I can hang it easily. So just put one thread, just take one thread and then just tie it over here and then leave it. So now as you can see that it is still leaving some yellow liquid, and this yellow liquid is kind of poison for us, so we should drain it out. Let's keep it for half an hour and then after that we will make a juice. Now half an hour done, and now we will start the aloe vera juice. So what we will do, this yellow liquid portion we will cut just ½ inch, so that whatever the remaining residue is there, we will skip that poison. Now you can see that this is a clear green color. Here we are not able to see any yellow color now. Now we need to remove the edges of this. And removing the edges, whatever the thorns we can see over here. Now do it on the second side. Now we will cut it half so that we can remove all the aloe vera extract. See, now I divided into two. Now we need to remove the aloe vera from this so that we can make a juice. So this is the transparent aloe vera. We will collect in a pot. Aloe vera is already sticky in nature, so you need to do it with patience. So this way you can remove it. So one side is done. Now we will do the second side. If you are not able to do it, split it in half and then you can do like this also. This option is also easy. Whichever option is easy for you, you can do it. See how I am removing it. That's it. we are done now. Now as you can see that we have peeled off all the green skin of the aloe vera, and we have collected all the gel from the leaf, aloe vera leaf. As you know that aloe vera is rich in vitamins, minerals and micronutrients. It also contains 7 of the 8 essential amino acids. So this is very healthy, and it could also be used as an effective electrolyte drink similar to using coconut water. Aloe vera has lot of medicinal properties, and it's very beneficial if you have cold and cough. So personally I use it for this specific reason. So let's make it. So as you know that aloe vera doesn't have any taste. So if you want to give some taste to it, you can add mint to it, or you can add basil to it. You can add lemons also. So whatever flavors you like, you can add those flavors in aloe vera juice, because aloe vera doesn't have any taste. So let's make it. So I am adding mint in it, and now let's mix it. First mix it like raw only, and then we will add some water to it. Just add little water. Now it's done. So this is the consistency. Now we will pour it in, and then add some water in it. This is the wonderful healthy electrolyte healthy drink. So this is my favorite drink, and now we will add some water. So just give a stir, and then your aloe vera juice is ready, which is very healthy. And once you start developing the taste of this aloe vera juice, you will definitely drink it because I like this, and this is a homegrown organic aloe vera, so definitely you will like it. So enjoy the aloe vera juice and just try it at home. And if you just Google it, you will get 1,000 reasons why you should use aloe vera. So in one video I cannot tell you all the reasons, but it's very healthy, and I personally use it whenever I feel cold and cough. Try this healthy aloe vera juice at home. Thank you, and if you like this video, do share it, subscribe it and like it. See you in the next video. Till then, enjoy the life. See you. Bye bye. Amazing. This mint flavor is so soothing. You won't even realize the taste of this aloe vera, because half quantity is water and half quantity is aloe vera, and if it's a homegrown aloe vera, you will not feel any different taste. It's very soothing. Enjoy the aloe vera juice and stay healthy, stay fit.